Hey guys, welcome back to Mystery Toys. Today we're going to be learning our colors with a bunch of different characters. We have some characters from the new Ice Age movie, and we also have the Lion Guard characters. We have some Secret Life of Pets, some Finding Dory, and also PJ Masks. So let's go ahead and get started. So first we have Saber-Toothed Tiger from Ice Age. And this is the color black. And look who our first surprise is. It's Bomb from Angry Birds. His wings are spread, he's ready to fly. Next we have Hank from Finding Dory. And this is the color yellow. And who's gonna be in our yellow Play-Doh? Look who it is! It's Kion from the Lion Guard. Check out that Lion Guard symbol. He's the leader of the Lion Guard. Next, we have Max from the Secret Life of Pets. And this is the color white. Ooh, who is this gonna be? It's Miles from Tomorrowland. Look at his super cool space outfit. And check out those cool boots. Next we have Catboy from PJ Masks. And this is the color blue. And it looks like there's a leg poking out of here. And I see a red cape. Who do you think that is, you guys? I think you guys know. And here's Superman. Look at that awesome suit and that big red cape. Next, we have Kion from the Lion Guard. And this is the color red. I see a red suit. And look who we have. It's Mr. Incredible. Check out those big fists. Next, we have Manny from the Ice Age. And this is the color pink. It's a bright, bright pink. And who's inside of here? Oh, look who it is, you guys. It's baby Nemo. He's super cute with the big eyes and the tiny, tiny little fin. Next, we have Bunga from the Lion Guard. And this is the color purple. I see some green sticking out here. I wonder what that could be. Oh, and it's the grass that Bunga is standing on. He looks really cute, and there's his Lion Guard symbol. Just like Kion. He's Bunga the Brave. Next, we have Nemo. And this is the color orange. Who is this? And look, you guys, it's Hank. And look at all these tentacles. He looks really cool. Next, we have Duke from The Secret Life of Pets. And this is the color pink. And this is a darker shade of pink. Let's see who's in here. I see a big brown dog. And that could only mean it's Duke. He just doesn't look too happy here though. And lastly, we have Gecko from PJ Masks. And this is the color green. Who could be our last surprise? Who is this? Oh, look, it's Chase from Paw Patrol. Hi, Chase. Chase is on the case, Ryder Sir. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning your colors with all these different cool characters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more Learning Colors videos just like this one. And let me know what other Learning Colors videos would you like to see me do. Alright guys, see you next time, and thanks for watching!